Welcome back to our journey through Lakshadweep. In this episode, we take you on an exclusive island hopping adventure. We start from Bangaram Island, cruising to the tiny but fascinating Parali I and II islands, where just one family lives, surrounded by thousands of hermit crabs. Explore the island, untouched shorelines, sip on coconut water, and see how life thrives on this secluded islands. We then sail towards Thinnakara Island, where sea turtles glide through pristine waters, and we uncover the tragical history of these islands. Back in Bangaram, we explore hidden spots, walk to the famous sunset point, and witness the mesmerizing bioluminescence at night. Our day starts early as we set sail from Bangaram Island at 9 a.m. for an island hopping adventure. The journey takes about 2 hours through the stunning Arabian Sea with nothing but blue waters all around. Lakshadweep is a collection of 36 islands, out of which only 10 islands are inhabited. You can visit the other uninhabited islands with a local if the weather permits. There are multiple island hopping tours available from Bangaram Resort. We booked one that included Parali Island and Thinnakara Island, along with turtle watching. Since Bangaram Resort is managed by the government, all activity have a fixed rate. There is a water sports center at the resort where you will find lists of all activities that Bangaram offers with their rate. We recommend visiting this center on the first day of your arrival and book the activities you wish to do during your stay. Since Lakshadweep is close to the equator, it tends to get very hot during the afternoon. So the water activities are offered from morning 9 to noon and evening 4 to 6 only. So make sure you make the most of it. And there it is, Parali Island, a hidden gem in this vast Arabian Sea. This island is home to hermit crabs and has an incredibly simple yet fascinating way of life. Let's explore the island now. This island is a home to a family of 5 with a single solar panel. They sustain themselves in this remote paradise. Water is scarce. They have a small well for daily chores, but drinking water comes from Bangaram Island. This pillar is placed by the Indian government that marks the territory of India, featuring the national emblem. Islands tend to drift during tsunami or cyclone, so this pillar helps in identifying the territory of a country. This island is filled with coconut trees. The locals here sell fresh coconut water to visitors for their livelihood. They also make the palm wine commonly known as toddy, a drink made from the sap of coconut palms that ferments into a mildly alcoholic beverage. side of this island is protected by what locals call Parali rocks, which makes life on Parali possible. These rocks protect the island from nature's fury. The shoreline is rugged, covered in dead corals, proof of nature's power. On return, we saw a raised rack of fishes left to dry. The locals here catch fish and dry them for their survival. The most common fish found on this island is tuna. They sell these dried fishes to the islanders and sustain themselves. That's Parali II. These islands have been deeply affected by multiple cyclones and tsunamis, which led to coastal erosion. 80% of land of Parali II was eroded. This island was once part of Group of Three, but due to nature's fury, Parali III Island sank completely. As we head towards Thinnakara Island, we saw many sea turtles. Thinakkara once had a resort, but it was destroyed by a cyclone. Now, a private company is rebuilding a new resort, which will soon be open for tourists. This island is breathtaking. The water here is the clearest we have ever seen so far, like a mirror reflecting the sky. The sun is blazing, so make sure to carry a hat and sunscreen. ways of arriving to Lakshadweep. The most common route is the one we opted for, that is via air. The second option is by water. Samudram Package is offered by the government if you wish to travel by boat. Samudram Package is a 5-day tour taking you to Minikoi, Kavarati and Kalpeni. This ship leaves from Kochi, Kerala and takes about 10 hours to reach Lakshadweep. They have various packages catered to your budget. The other option is taking Cordelia Cruise from either Mumbai, Goa or Kochi, offering a 4 to 5 days package. If you take Cordelia Cruise, you only get 1 day at Agatti, which might not be a great option if you plan to explore other islands. One important thing to note here is if you choose any of the ship options, your night stay will be in the boat. Visit the website mentioned in the description for more information for Samudram and Cordelia package. After an incredible morning, we sail back to Bangaram, soaking in the endless blues of the Arabian Sea. And with that, we have reached back to Bangaram Island Resort just in time for lunch. Back to Bangaram Island Resort. This is one of India's most unique and secluded island resorts. The island is home to diverse coral reefs and rare aquatic life. The resort follows strict ecotourism policy to preserve its natural beauty. Isn't it amazing that we are exploring the most unique place in India? Now, let's take a walk to Sunset Point, one of the most beautiful spots on the island. Along the way, we passed the helipad, which is used for emergency rescues. In 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed here during his visit for promoting Lakshadweep tourism. A beautiful Namaste sculpture was created to welcome him. And here it is, the perfect sunset. People are gathered, soaking in the moment, enjoying the cool breeze. The sunset here is magical. The sky bursts into shades of orange and peach as the waves gently roll in. But the real magic happens after dark. We were blessed to experience a rare natural wonder, bioluminescence. The intensity was not too high as it was a full moon night, but we were thrilled to just witness this. Bucket list? Check. That's a wrap on part 2 of our Lakshadweep adventure. In the next episode, we'll take you to the mysterious sandbank, a tiny island that appears and disappears with the tide, candlelight dinner that the island resort offers, and cost of our travels. Comment below if you would love to visit this island, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic adventures.